A day in my life as a feeling on a vlogger for today's video. Good morning mga ka-feeling! Hello mga ka-feeling! Welcome back to our vlog. That day, I traveled going to Dakak. Before I left, I prepared everything for the kids first. I brought them to my mama's place where they stayed for 2 nights. After that, I went back home to get myself ready, since our meet-up was around 11 p.m. and departure 12 midnight. I left home around 10 p.m. while waiting for my husband to arrive. When I got to our meet-up place with the other vloggers, we waited for the bus that would pick us up going to Dakak. While waiting, we started talking with Iligan Viners. Just random chit-chats about managing our pages, how to fix our accounts, and all those creator struggles. Then finally, when everyone was already inside the bus, my husband arrived. Siya na lang talaga yung hinihintay namin lahat. During the ride, we had fun talking with fellow models and vloggers, including Mr. Philippines Iligan, who was also there. Along the way, we picked up other vloggers who went from Iligan City, like Raiden and Laagan Pagadian. We traveled around midnight, maybe past 12 or almost 1 a.m. None of us could really sleep well because it was so cold. Sobrang lamig ng hangin at ng aircon sa bus. Nakabukas din kasi yung mga windows. By the way, I was invited by Laagan sa Iligan, si Jessie, to join the Mi Ultimo Amor Bridal Expo event in Dakak for 3 days. At kasama na rin yung Glorious Fantasyland. It was such a big opportunity for me because everything was free. The accommodation, the meals, the entrance, and all. Super saya ko talaga kasi napasama ako as one of the vloggers. And at first, I thought akala ko yung pupunta is ako lang. But later I found out, sabi ni Jessie isama ko daw si Habi as one of the photographers. That made it extra special for me. We got to experience it together. Pero alam ko naman na nakapunta na si Habi dun sa Dakak. Na-experience na niya yun. Ako lang ang hindi. When we arrived at Dakak around 6 a.m., the place took my breath away. Grabe, sobrang ganda. It was my first time there. And pagpasok pa lang sa entrance, wow talaga. The surroundings were so clean, full of trees and flowers, and the air was so cool and fresh. I was really amazed. Pagbaba namin sa bus, I immediately charged my phone because it was already low bat. While waiting, we just relaxed for a bit until it was time to go to our rooms. At first, we went to the upper rooms, but turns out those were for the models. The vloggers had separate rooms, so after that, I took a bath upstairs where we first went and prepared there. After getting ready, I went down and joined the others in our vloggers' rooms. When we were getting ready for the event, I actually used my phone as a mirror. Wala kasing full-length mirror doon. The only one was in the CR and it only showed half of you. So ayun, phone camera na lang ang ginamit ko para makita ang outfit ko. My outfit that day was full black. Required kasi na naka-black kami. And it had to be formal since it was a wedding-themed bridal expo event.
That's all mga ka-feeling. Don't forget to like and share our video and follow for more. And leave a comment so I can visit your house too. This is Jay Rivera, Feeling Vlogger. Bye!